Looking to use Claude with SanctifAI Connect? Not a problem. This even works with the free tier of Claude. Let me show you how to get that done. First, you need Claude for Desktop. Click Settings, Developer, and then click Edit Config. This would point you to the Claude Desktop Config JSON file. And just open that up with your preferred text editor of choice. Next, let's go to the SanctifAI Connect homepage. Go to AI Agents, click Invite AI, and let's name our AI agent Kit. Click Generate Credentials, and then on the Claude bracket free tab, copy the configuration for the MCP servers. Let's go back to the JSON file that we opened earlier, and let's add it to the file. Alright, that's it. Now all you need to do is save the file, go back to your Claude for Desktop, and close it and reopen it again. Then let's double check that it's now connected to the SanctifAI MCP server. And there you go. It is now connected to SanctifAI. Let's give it a test. Verify that you're connected to SanctifAI's MCP server. And there you go. You're now connected to SanctifAI's MCP server using the free tier of Claude.